14th. Disassembling and assembling the temperature controller. Disassembling. Pull and remove the controller after removing all the cables of the terminal and controller bracket. Assembly. Fasten the terminals after placing the controller according to the frame and fixing with a bracket. One. How to set the temperature. Set the upper and lower limits by moving to Set 2 after pushing the menu key for a long time and operating SLH and SLL. SLH, upper limit. SLL, lower limit. Two. How to set parameters. Move to Set 7 after pushing and holding the menu key, and change the TNO from number 1 to number 0.